Have you ever imagined Shah Rukh Khan as an Avenger? Well, it might just come true because if the recent buzz is to be believed, King Khan might soon be making his grand Hollywood debut, and not just in any franchisee but in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Yes, you heard that right. Shah Rukh Khan, one of India's biggest superstars, is reportedly in early talks to enter the world of superheroes under Marvel Studios, and the news has already sent fans into a frenzy. So what's happening exactly? According to the recent online chatter, specifically from an X account named Marvel Leaks, which is known for its speculative but often spot on MCU updates, SRK is in preliminary discussion with Marvel for a role in one of the upcoming superhero films. Now, before you jump to conclusion, let's be clear, this potential role is not connected to the much talked about Avengers Doomsday. So it's not about him joining the next Avenger lineup as of now, but the fact that there are even talks of him entering Marvel's universe is huge. And let's be honest, Shah Rukh Khan already has global appeal. He has been Bollywood's face for decades, and his international fan base only continues to grow, with films like Pathaan and Jawan recently proving his unstoppable box office pull. Marvel dropping him in would be a masterstroke. It's a move that could open up even more audience to the MCU, especially from South Asia. While there is no official confirmation yet from either Marvel or SRK's camp, the internet is buzzing with excitement and speculation about what kind of role he could possibly play. Now let's take a step back. Shah Rukh Khan's name being linked to Marvel might seem sudden, but in a way it was only a matter of time. Remember, Marvel has already shown a strong interest in connecting with Indian audiences. Just look at the Marvel series, where there is literally a scene that references Shah Rukh Khan, with the lead character Kamala Khan saying SRK is the greatest actor of all time. Even Brie Larson, who plays Captain Marvel, once mentioned in an interview that she would love to work with Shah Rukh Khan. That's not random, it shows how much Marvel acknowledges his stardom. The MCU has been steadily expanding its global character base. We have had heroes from all around the world, and now bringing in a South Asian superstar like Shah Rukh Khan would fit right into that plan. It would also be a proud moment for Indian cinema fans to see one of our own in a superhero universe that's watched by millions across the globe. But of course, nothing is final yet. These are early talks, and as with many Hollywood developments, things can change overnight. Still, the piece of news has opened up a whole new conversation. What role would suit SRK in the MCU? Could he play a charismatic villain, a powerful mentor, or even a brand new superhero introduced from the Marvel Comics lore? While we wait for the official update, one thing is certain: the idea of Shah Rukh Khan joining the Marvel Cinematic Universe is already enough to send imaginations wild. Fans are creating edits, fans casting him in everything from Doctor Doom's rival to a multiverse variant of Iron Man, and honestly, we wouldn't be surprised if Marvel does something completely unexpected, like creating a character inspired by Indian mythology or a new storytelling that bridges cultural dimension. So until the official word is out, it's all eyes on Marvel Studios and King Khan's next big move. But here's the real question for you: if Shah Rukh Khan were to join the MCU, what kind of role do you think he should play? Do let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.